Let's try some Lovebird hot chicken. First, I got their bird and the bee chicken sandwich. It comes with some honey butter, some hot honey, and medium heat. This is a massive chicken sandwich. It's looking delicious, looking very messy though. First bite. Super tender, nice and crispy. Have a little kick from that hot honey. Nice and sweet. This is fantastic. That is one juicy chicken. Let's take another bite. Wow. Also got some pickles on there. Give that nice pickle flavor. This is one of the best chicken sandwiches I ever had. Look at that piece right there. I'm gonna feel this tomorrow though. All right, next we got their chicken fries. Basically 2 pieces of medium heat chicken and fries. So let's see how this goes. With a piece right there. Oh yeah. I put this white sauce on there, nice and creamy. A little bacon on there, incredible. Let's look at that piece. This was $8. The sandwich was $8. So the price not too bad for the amount of food you get. Some fries there. Overall, I give this meal a 9 out of 10. Check out Lovebirds in Lakeland, Florida. Peace.